Haas in his house. No, really, I'm in my house. This is not any chapter, but it's on bones. It's the bones of the human body. Holes biology, anatomy, physiology, and we'll just run through this. This is maybe the shortest lecture of the year. 206 bones. You might have 205. You might have 207. Sometimes they vary. Some bones can be fused. Some can be extras. Who cares? But you got a lot. Let's see where they are. 28 in the skull. Cranial bones. That would be here. Frontal, occipital, parietal, temporal, sphenoid and ethmoid in here. The sphenoid bone is the coolest looking bone in the body because it looks like one of the planes from Star Wars. 14 facial bones, all in here. Mandala, maxilla, and so on. Nasal bones and blah, blah, blah. Lacrimal bones, okay. All these bones. 14 in the face. 6 ear bones. Yes, you have 6 in the ear. 3 on this side and 3 on this side. They're the smallest bones in the body, but they are bones. 26 that make up your vertebral column. 7 are cervical, which is up in the neck. 12 thoracic is the middle of your back, and 5 lumbar, that's at the bottom. Followed by a sacrum and a coccyx. Those are basically your tail. Yes, you do have a tail. Those are parts of your tailbone at the very base of your spine. And then we get to the rib cage. No, I'm not just touching my breasts for fun. There are 14 true ribs up top. These are the ones that are physically connected to the sternum. That's what makes them true ribs. And then 10 false ribs down below, which are connected through cartilage to the other ribs. They're not actually connected to the sternum. And then, of course, we have the sternum that makes up the rib cage. In the shoulder, there's 2 scapula. These are the pointy bones back there, where if I move my shoulder back, I feel it. Those are my scapula. And my clavicles here in the front. Very easy to break and very painful. You don't want to do that. And then your pelvic girdle itself has 2 of the coxal bones. These are your actual pelvic girdle that you would think of as the pelvis. In total, there's 120 in the appendages. Hands and feet. In the hands, there's 27 in each hand times 2, 54. Feet, 26 in each foot, for a total of 52 with the 2 of them. And then your arms, you got 3 here, so 2 and 1 in each for a total of 6. And then in your legs, there's a total of 4. 4 in each leg times 2. There's 820 in your appendages. There's 1 non-articulated bone, which is the hyoid bone found in your neck up here. And non-articulated means it does not form a joint or meet up with any other bone. It is basically a floating bone. And on that note, we are done.